The Clean Park Day. Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a beautiful park. The park had tall trees, colorful flowers, and singing birds. Many children played there every day. But one day, the park became very dirty. There was trash everywhere. Plastic bottles, papers, and old cans were all over the grass. Lily, a kind girl, loved the park very much. She saw the trash and felt sad. "We must clean the park," she said to her friends. Her friends, Tom and Mia, agreed. They wanted to help. The next Saturday, Lily, Tom, and Mia planned a clean park day. They made colorful posters and hung them around the town. They invited everyone to help. "Let's make our park beautiful again," the posters said. On Clean Park Day, many people came. Kids, parents, and even grandparents brought bags and gloves. Everyone worked together. They picked up trash, and soon the park looked nice again. After cleaning, Lily had a great idea. "Let's have a picnic," she said. Everyone was happy and agreed. They spread blankets on the grass and shared sandwiches, fruits, and drinks. The park was clean, and the sun was shining. People laughed and played games. Lily smiled and thought, "This is a wonderful day." From that day on, everyone took care of the park. They remembered to throw trash in the bins. The park remained beautiful, and the children played there happily every day.